Michelle thought she finally had transparency when Tom started sharing his location with her. After months of suspicious late nights and weird excuses, he promised complete honesty. But Tuesday and Thursday afternoons told a different story. For weeks, his phone showed the same address, a house just 20 minutes away. The overtime story didn't add up anymore. Michelle drove there on a Thursday, her heart pounding as she saw Tom's car in the driveway. She knocked on the door, expecting anything but what happened next. A pregnant woman answered, holding a toddler who looked exactly like Tom. The child reached out and said, "Daddy," when he saw Michelle's wedding ring. That's when Tom emerged from the shower, hair still wet, frozen in complete shock. For 2 years he'd been living a double life, funding his second family with fake overtime money. His transparency app had exposed the one secret he thought was perfectly hidden. 20 minutes from home, he'd built an entire other world.